Welcome to this guided meditation to help you find clarity in the middle of life's chaos. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, mentally foggy, or just need a reset, you're in the right place. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw relax, and your breath flow naturally. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply and exhale completely. As you breathe, imagine releasing all the mental noise, allowing yourself to settle into this moment. Feel the surface beneath you, steady and supportive. As you inhale, picture yourself drawing in Haman energy. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Thoughts may pop up, and that's okay. Instead of fighting them, simply acknowledge them and let them pass, like clouds drifting in the sky. Imagine yourself standing by a peaceful lake. The water is still, clear, and calm, just like your mind is becoming. Take a slow, deep breath and visualize dropping a small pebble into the water. Watch as gentle ripples spread outward, carrying away distractions and mental clutter. With every inhale, your mind becomes lighter. With every exhale, you create more space for clarity. Breathe in calm. Breathe out overwhelm. Breathe in focus. Breathe out distraction. Silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. My mind is clear and calm. I release what no longer serves me. I am focused, present, and at peace. Clarity is always within me. Feel these words settling in, allowing them to shape your thoughts and emotions. There's nothing you need to do right now. Just rest in this quiet space. Let your breath flow naturally, your body fully relax. Notice how light and open your mind feels. The stress, the noise, it's all fading into the background. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, stretch your arms. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for showing up today. Clarity is within you, always. Namaste.